To complaints now from a St. Thomas community that's been placed under a 14-day quarantine because of a spike in COVID cases. TVJ News visited Golden Valley, close to White Horses, where residents say stigma could spread the virus even more. Krista Campbell explains.
COVID in the community and the one river, everybody have forgot it. So the whole district got broke out in a COVID.
Hyacinth, a resident of Golden Valley, St. Thomas, which has been placed under quarantine for 14 days. Among the residents' concerns is the issue of access to water, which they say is now compounded by stigma because of the quarantine order. And as with every other quarantined community, they say the care packages are inadequate.
10 mackerel, no soap, no tissue, no nothing, just some food items, and said we should not leave our house. The taxis, this not carrying us either.
This then come one time, come get next door, and then don't get the rest of people them. I asked for my care package 5 days now. I tell you I no have no water, no mask. Water truck come and then discriminate, say they're not giving me any water. Me not have COVID, me just carry somebody then say we have COVID. And me treat it like a thief, criminal, 14 days without paying nothing at all.
Councillor for the Seaforth Division, Joanne Spencer, says she's trying to get food packages to the area. But in the meantime, she's calling for urgent attention from social development agencies.
If they have to go to the shop to get food, they would have to travel to Whitehall, and then they would have to travel to Seaforth. And that would be inadequate. They would have to go out every day because there are only small shops in Whitehall.
7 residents are in isolation.
Two COVID patients here, both of them have babies. And then take the baby, the 2 baby them and the mother gone to COVID place. I don't understand what is happening because the baby then don't have the virus. So what will happen to the baby them when they carry them over there? And come back into the community. What will happen to the baby them? Then I go pick up the virus.
Residents say a 90-year-old man confirmed with the virus has been left unattended at home after his caregiver was taken away for quarantine in another area. TVJ News could not reach anyone from the Public Health Department in St. Thomas to respond to the residents' claims. In the meantime, a resident is suggesting that persons who have the space to isolate be allowed to do so and that the testing process be improved.
What they need to do is spend the money so people can get back the result earlier, 7 days before you get back your result. And if you don't know you're positive or whatever, or what those people have done within that 7 days.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.